We know as for the first law of thermodynamics, the total heat energy supplied to the system equal to the sum of internal energy and external work done by it. So it's all about conservation of energy. It only talks about conservation of energy. It never tells you about direction of flow of heat. From whom to whom the heat flows is never discussed in first law of thermodynamics. So it only says about the conservation of heat energy and vice versa. Heat converts into work, and that's it is being said in first law of thermodynamics. But the second law of thermodynamics talks about the direction of the flow of the heat. According to second law of thermodynamics, there are different ways of expressing it, like a Kelvin-Planck statement, where the Kelvin-Planck statement says that it is impossible by any thermodynamic process it is impossible by any thermodynamic process to absorb heat or to get heat from the reservoir whose temperature is less than that of the say surroundings. So it is a way of saying that if we have to get the heat energy, we always have to get the heat energy from a body of higher temperature to lower temperature, and we cannot get the heat from a body of lower temperature to higher temperature. Thus, it gives us the direction of the flow of the heat, which says that heat always flows from a body of higher temperature to a body of lower temperature. That's all the second law of thermodynamics. In the another way, even in the name of a Celsius uh, statement, it says that it is impossible to draw heat from a body of lower temperature to a body of higher temperature without any support of external source. So if there is an external support that can do this miracle like this that can do this magic that will help you to push the heat from a body of lower temperature to a body of higher temperature. But if it has to happen naturally, it's obvious that heat always flows from body of high temperature to low temperature, not possible to flow from lower to higher. Thus, the second law of thermodynamics gives you the direction of flow of heat, which says that it flows from a body of higher temperature to lower temperature, but not vice versa without any support of external agency. That's what the second law of thermodynamics significance is. It gives you the direction of the flow of the heat. That's it. Thank you for watching.